Alright, hey guys, what's up? This is Dr. Keen. I just wanted to give you a quick walkthrough on how to do this in case you're having trouble understanding what I typed out in the instructions here. You're going to click on this module right here, and you're going to open the online workbook from there. So when you click on that, it's going to take you to this module right here, and you're going to click on Chapter 1 Online Workbook. When you do that, it's going to take you here. This is Chapter 1 right here, and you're going to do the Understanding Healthcare Terms and Making Sense of Insurance Options. So when you click on Understanding Healthcare Terms, it's going to take you here, and what you're going to do is in these boxes you're going to put which word matches the sentence, which one fills in the blank there, and you're going to go through all of these and go all the way down to the bottom, and you're going to put your name in here, and you're going to put your email, and then in your instructor's email you're going to put my email address, which is kevin.keen@lcist.org, and then you're going to say I confirm my input is correct and click send, and it'll come to me. Okay, don't worry about save over here, just click I confirm it's correct and click send. That is for the Introduction to Healthcare Systems Understanding Healthcare Terms. You're also going to do Making Sense of Insurance Options right here, and you're going to read through the scenarios and you're going to put which one matches in the box, and the same thing down here. Your name, your email, my email, I confirm, send. And then your assignment will be complete, and it will be due for tomorrow. If you have any questions, send me a message. I hope this helps.